Bitcoin is right now flashing the golden cross for the second time, and historically speaking, whenever we flashed it for the second time, well, we entered a massive bull run towards the upside. So are we going to be doing the same thing once again and more? We need to be talking about the imminent short term, what are my short term price targets, and with that being said, let's first of all have a look into what's the imminent short term, and what we could be seeing yesterday being created is some sort of a fake out towards the upside. Honestly, I was thinking already we were gonna be breaking out towards the upside, but we did not close a 4-hour candle above right here, so we did not confirm any kind of a breakout, and because we did not confirm our breakout towards the upside, well, we did not initiate our trades. So we are pretty much just still consolidating inside of our symmetrical triangle, where everyone pretty much already knows of. We are going to be creating a huge breakout out of this symmetrical triangle. So have a look into what's this symmetrical triangle. Now, the most important level to pretty much break is going to be this resistance level. It's going to be coming in at about the 34.8k level. Whenever we can be breaking above that level, well, I definitely do think we can be pushing even higher. And of course, yes, this break out of this resistance is going to be coming in at the exact same time that we are going to be breaking out of this symmetrical triangle. Now, I do think this resistance level is just going to be a little bit more accurate, so I'm rather actually going to be having a look into what's this resistance level. Now, this is also going to be the exact same resistance like we have had a look into what's for this consolidation range for a longer period of time already. After we created this huge move towards the upside, we are basically just consolidating sideways, which is a very good thing in my opinion. We need some reaccumulation right here. The sellers need to sell their Bitcoin, and the people that want to be FOMOing back in towards Bitcoin and want to be buying Bitcoin again need to be buying Bitcoin at this range. So that is currently what is happening, and whenever we will be making our decision of actually breaking this one out towards the upside or back towards the downside, well, that is going to be the moment where we are going to be making our decision if we are going to be coming back towards that 31k level that we have been talking about for a long time, or if we are going to be breaking out towards the upside, we are going to be coming back towards the 36.5k level, which is going to be our next resistance target. So that is pretty much what is happening, and because we are forming such a bullish pennant and our trend is towards the upside, we are getting these massive breakouts towards the upside with a very good weekly candle close. Well, that is currently the reason why I do think it is going to be more likely that we are going to be expecting continuation rather than a rejection and a dump back towards the downside. So yes, we could be breaking out to either direction, but the trend is your friend and the trend is definitely towards the upside. So I'm rather going to be longing this breakout pattern. Now, what is actually pretty interesting is that we still do have that CME gap down below us, and we did not yet fill this one. We did come very close just a few hours ago. Maybe we are on our way to be filling up our CME gap, and if we do so, well, we could be expecting a very nice bounce from off this level, could maybe extend this support level right here, and we could potentially be creating just a little bit of a bigger symmetrical triangle right here, and even more consolidation inside of this range. Just something to be aware of. Now, if we are going to be breaking out towards the downside, I'm going to be expecting the 31k level to be getting reached. Now, if we are going to be breaking out towards the upside, I'm going to be expecting the 36.5k level. Now, also in the end of the day, do keep in mind for the longer term, all of these patterns, all of these Bitcoin charts are looking very bullish. We are as well right now getting this golden cross on the daily time frame with the 200 moving average and the 50 moving average. And what is going to be pretty interesting is that we got this first golden cross over here. We actually got this dead cross over here, and right now we are once again flashing a golden cross. Now, if we have a look into what's the previous bull markets, well, right over here, we actually also created this golden cross. this dead cross and another golden cross, and right after that, yes, we did get this pandemic back towards the downside, but if we didn't get that, I do actually think we did start our bull market already over here, and the Bitcoin price should have looked something similar like this one over here. I do not simply think we are going to be getting this black swan event happening right now. So in my opinion, this in the end of the day was actually a pretty bullish signal as well. Now, right before that one, for this bull market, we actually also did get this golden cross over here, this dead cross, and at the second golden cross, we actually started our big bull market, and we do have a lot of signals that this bull market is going to be looking very similar like the 2015 bull market. So potentially we are about to see similar prices being created just like we did over here in 2015. Now, in the end of the day, this is a very bullish signal that we did just flash. And this is just further telling us that the bigger picture, the bigger trend is towards the upside. And that is the reason why I'm rather going to be trading this breakout pattern towards the upside. And with that being said, make sure to be following me on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.